Hi there, hola, and welcome to my YouTube channel here at Benidorm and beyond. I'm an English woman who has lived here in the resort for over 20 years, and my aim is to give you a fresh and different take on all there is to see, do and enjoy in Benidorm. So here we go. Today's vlog brings you a bang up-to-date look at some of the building and renovation works that are going on in Benidorm at the moment, which follows my recent videos over the last weeks covering the same theme. We start along the Avenida del Mediterraneo and just by the rear of the Hotel Riador, where we can now see the premises of the family-run business The Brunch Box. Open daily from 9 till 5, it's already doing a great trade in its delicious and authentic American breakfasts and brunches, so why not give it a try? Further along the passageway that it sits on, which then leads on to Calle Girona, or the Strip, we can see that the building work carries on at the popular Talk of the Coast cabaret venue, with no further updates having as yet been posted on social media sites, although it is evident that work is still very much ongoing. Heading away from the Rincon de Loix area now, and very near the Hotel Mediterraneo and almost opposite Benidorm Palace, on the main road in and out of Benidorm, Avenida Dr. Saavedra Ochoa, we can see that the previously extremely busy Superjet Car Wash has all but been demolished, but to make way for what, I don't yet know. Moving into the Old Town and in the large mosaic tiled square of Plaza Triangular, it's been announced that one of the long trading cafes here, Center Plaza, will now be taken over and completely renovated to become a new branch of the coffee shop chain, Starbucks. Into the new town now, and along Calle Lepanto, we see the new, recently opened Hotel Gold Arcos. Here we can see that additional railings have been put up in the last couple of weeks, as well as the brand new entrance porch having now been completed, which looks very smart indeed and befitting of its 4-star superior status. Into the very heart of the Old Town next, and on the corner of Carrer Thomas Ortuño and Carrer de la Garita, a new apartment block continues to be constructed by local architects JPO Arquitectura, who have also been involved in renovation works at the Hotel Rosamar in the Rincon de Loix. I've been filming the progress of this over the last few months, as you can see by the changes in not only the weather, but also by the people wearing face masks in the street. Finally, the project seems to be looking near completion, as it now boasts a modern cream facade and smart black grills and shutters, with just the addition of commercial units underneath to be added, and I expect the final finishing touches to be put in place. Apartments in the block were up for sale with estate agency Inmobiliaria Banco Casa and started at €167,000. With this advertising board now removed, I can only imagine that all the units are now sold, with properties on the higher and therefore more valued floors no doubt having been put on the market for a premium price, as tends to be the way here in Spain. If you'd like to support my channel and future vlogs by making a small donation, you can now buy me a coffee, or even 2 or 3. Just click on the down arrow next to the vlog title, which brings you to the description of this video. Then follow the link provided at the bottom. It's really that simple. Thank you so much. Back in the new town and on the corner junction with Calle Girona and the Square, we can see that the Lucky Games Gaming and Betting Salon, which is owned by the nearby Hotel Marina, continues with extensive improvements both inside and out. Into the Rincon de Loix, and just up from the beachfront and almost opposite the Hotel Port Benidorm, we can see that the Vincent's Corner pub, the Triangle, has had some repair work carried out on its neon signage. Along the Avenida del Mediterraneo again, and towards the Rincon de Loix end by the casino, I thought this was just worth a quick look to show you. It's a mobile recycling unit built on the back of a van, which aims to promote and encourage recycling in the area. And this vehicle can be summoned to your neighbourhood by a simple phone call, which I think is a great idea. Finally, towards the Old Town again, and directly on the Levante Beach promenade of Avenida Alcoy and the corner junction with the pedestrianised shopping street of Avenida de Martínez Alejos, we see the Cafeteria Nabab, which has been trading here in Benidorm since 1974. Following extensive reformation works, it is now open and doing a great business again, and seemingly as popular as ever. And with those fabulous sea views straight ahead to gaze at, it's really no surprise. The Nabab's new look and logo brings it bang up to date with a much more fitting modern look for 2023 and the season ahead. And as you can see, I've been following its progress over the weeks, from it being knocked right back to its foundations to its terrific transformation today. If you want to find out about some of Benidorm's most popular hotels, then why not check out my great series of vlogs giving you an unbiased look inside and out. Just search YouTube, Fly on the Wall, followed by the name of the hotel you're looking for, and all the info will be at your fingertips. It's that simple. This brings us to the end of today's update vlog, and I hope that you have enjoyed seeing some current video footage of your beloved resort of Benidorm and what's going on here right at the moment. If you did, then please consider checking out some of my other vlogs, which show you many accommodation options in Benidorm, with full reviews and inside footage of lots of the most popular hotels, as well as taking you on street and beach walks and bringing you lots of local news, updates and reviews on cafes, bars and just about anything else I can think of as well. Thanks so much for watching as always, and I'll see you out and about next time. Take care, have a good day, and hasta pronto. Cheers!